Good morning, you know where you're going? Good morning, do you know where to go?
Hello, good morning. Just keep walking this way. Let's go find it. You're all set. There you go.
Welcome. Right this way and look for your mirror.
The 18th of August. Well done, everybody. That was.
Look inside your box. What do you see inside your box? Okay.
Thursdays, we're going to be split up again, and there's going to be student-led activities. We'll figure out how that's...
The COVID rules. So when you are eating, you remember there were some.
The field has been changed. It's so new. Brand new. Good. Good. Good.
We're going to be reading for the first 10 minutes every class. And that way, we get to have all the languages. Yes.
You to give as much as you like to give, so we can kind of get to know more about you as a person.
Thank you. Thank you for coming into assembly so nicely.
Really, if there's anything that you want to do or want to be, you can make that happen. There's so many possibilities. And this is a year we're kind of coming out of the pandemic. It's still there, we've still got masks, but we've also now got sports, we've got retreats, we can gather everybody in here. There's real positive change and a sense of optimism, and you can make it happen. Never forget our mission: inquire, inspire, and then go out and have impact, because that's what really matters and that's what really counts. And welcome to everybody here. Have a great year. Thanks everyone.